Hi Parth, welcome on YourPedia.
Thank you.
Okay, so Parth, you are doing masters in very prestigious course, Industrial Engineering and Management, in very prestigious institute, IIT ISM Dhanbad. So I would like to interact with you and know more about this course, Parth, which many students want to join, and about your journey. Please tell us which part of India you are from and from where you've done your undergrad, your BTech, and about your GATE journey.
Basically, I am born and brought up in Pune, Maharashtra. Uh, I have completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Pune Vidyarthi Griha College of Engineering and Technology, which is affiliated to the Pune University. And I had given my GATE exam first in 2024 in mathematics stream, because I wanted to apply for some data analytics or data science type of roles, but I was not able to clear GATE exam at that point. Uh, and I gave GATE exam for the second time in this year, 2025 February, in mechanical stream, which I am from. So that I was able to clear fortunately, and then I got into IIT.
Okay. Parth, then once you got your score, please also tell us about your GATE score. And once you got your GATE score, then what were the opportunities which popped up in COPE rounds and all? So your GATE score and then rounds.
I got a GATE score of 470
Okay.
in mechanical paper.
Hmm.
Firstly, in the first COPE round, I had got IIT Dhanbad. Then afterwards, I got IIT Patna, then
Okay.
Bhubaneswar,
Hmm.
and even I had got IIT Goa Mechanical.
Hmm.
Then I had also got selection in the MSR program in Advanced Manufacturing at IIT Tirupati. It
Hmm.
was done through externally through interview.
Hmm.
Uh, but I got this uh, course in the last COPE round, 10th round of the COPE.
Hmm.
So in ninth round, I had also got IIT Kharagpur, but it was not a stream which I wanted to go for. It was Earth Science. But in the 10th round, I finally got which the stream which I was looking for,
Okay.
basically. Because I wanted to shift to a stream from mechanical, which would give me a little wide scope to work.
Hmm. Hmm.
So industrial engineering and management. So I got this in the 10th COPE round. And I was able to hold it till the 10th round because I had the plan B to go to IIT Tirupati because it was through the interview. The selection was through the interview. So
Hmm.
that's why.
Now, now, this is a very important point, and I would like to discuss this point. So, IIT Tirupati was MTech course or MS course?
It was MS course.
MS course. So, Parth, please tell us about this also. And I keep on telling students that you should have plan B because, as you rightly said, that IIT Tirupati MS course was the reason why you could go till
Yeah.
the 10th round. So, how important it is to have plan B during the process?
Yeah, it is actually very important because I have experienced that. So uh, I had followed the interview preparation courses from YourPedia. So it helped me to uh, pass the interview and go through. I had also went to IIT BHU for the MTech Decision Sciences interview. I was not able to clear that, but I was able to clear the IIT Tirupati
Okay.
interview.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
plan B is actually very important because it keeps you in a safe zone and you are mentally relaxed.
Hmm.
So that if this is not done, then we have plan B. So plan B is really important in a student's life because uh, we don't have guarantee that plan A will always work from for everyone.
Yeah. So, IIT Tirupati interview was online or was it offline? You went there?
It was online.
Online only. Okay. And what about IIT BHU? You were mentioning about decision science or something?
Yeah, MTech Decision Sciences.
Okay. Okay. That interview was in IIT BHU only, right? Campus,
Yeah,
in
it was
campus.
offline.
Hmm.
Even IIT Tirupati interview, it was offline or online. They had given us option, so I had opted
Okay.
for online.
Okay. Parth, would you like to say something about decision science of IIT BHU? What kind of interview or written exam they conduct, or what is that?
They had conducted a written exam, which was a MCQ test basically,
Hmm.
and it was regarding the domain knowledge of industrial engineering, supply chain management.
Okay.
There were also little concepts of machine learning, data analytics, and some manufacturing concepts, some statistics concepts. So
Hmm.
it was
Hmm.
basically it's a basically industrial engineering and management course, but
Hmm.
IIT BHU had named it MTech Decision
Decision
Sciences
science.
some
Okay.
years
Okay.
ago.
So what is your CGPA in BTech?
My overall CGPA in BTech was 7.41.
Okay. So any other MS call also you got it, or IIT Tirupati was the only one?
Uh, MSR call I only got from IIT Tirupati.
Okay. Hmm. So decision science. How many total rounds are there in COPE, Parth?
COPE total there are 10 rounds.
Okay. So you reached till that last round, that is 10th round.
Yes, yes.
Okay, wonderful. So there are so many students who will not actually go beyond fifth round or sixth round. They will
Hmm.
fear that they will lose it. So you kept
Yes.
on going, and then you achieved it. Now tell us something about industrial engineering and management course in IIT ISM Dhanbad. What is this course all about?
Okay, so currently I have just completed the first semester of the course in December.
Mm,
So this course is about the people who want to remain with the mechanical domain, but also want to little bit switch to maybe data science, data analytics,
yeah.
or they also want to work in operations, supply chain management, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe supply chain analytics, etc. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, this course involves courses like machine learning,
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing systems engineering. uh, then even we have electives like uh, IoT and blockchain,
Mm-hmm.
then data analytics,
Mm-hmm.
and we also have labs like spreadsheet modeling lab, machine learning lab, and stochastic programming lab. And
Mm-hmm.
in the second semester we will have courses like work study ergonomics, project management,
Mm-hmm.
operations management, etc.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it's a wide uh, course.
So you have M.tech in this or MS also?
uh, we have only MTech in this course currently in IIT.
Hmm. Okay, Parth. So, do you have any idea about the difference between MTech and MS courses? Because there is a lot of confusion among students about these two courses.
Yes. Basically, MSR course tenure can be from 2 to 3 years,
Okay.
and it is little research oriented course. And
Mhm.
the coursework is less and more research part with the professors is more, I think, in MSR. And
Mhm.
MTech course is little industry oriented course in which you have to complete the 4 semester courses. You get the CGP and then you can apply on campus for companies.
Mhm.
And so it's basically masters in technology, and MSR is masters in science with research. So
Mhm.
this is the basic difference between the two. So basically,
Mhm.
who people who want to pursue PhD can go with MSR program. It helps them a little bit. Also, MTech people can also do PhD, but MSR helps them little bit in the they makes them uh, used to with the thesis part or the project part in that journey. And MTech is for the people who are looking for maybe industry roles or placements, etc.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Now, Parth, coming to industrial engineering and management, what kind of career opportunities one can explore through this department?
Uh, People can go to operations or supply chain management roles in mechanical
Okay.
domain,
Mhm.
or they can switch to machine learning engineer roles, data
Mhm.
analyst roles, data
Mhm.
scientist roles.
Okay.
So they can go to any type of, or they can also even go to software development roles if they are from
Okay.
CS background, because this is an interdisciplinary course. So we have people from CS background also,
Okay.
mechanical also, etc.
Hmm. In fact, that was my next question. That in your typical class, how many candidates are from one branch, another branch, and what kind of branches? So, how many total students are there in your masters presently?
Currently, there are around 36 people in our M.tech class.
Mm.
From that, around 8 to 9 are from mechanical, 8 to 9 are from CS, and rest 3 4 people are from like tech. Some are from textile, some are
Mm.
from metallurgical, some are from electronics engineering, some are from
Okay.
even from mining. 1 2 people are from mining.
So it is comfortable for all of you to manage it because courses can be from different domains. So is it comfortable for all the branches to manage?
Uh, This depends on the student's knowledge because mainly I have seen the mechanical people, textile people, and computer science graduate peoples are more comfortable with these subjects.
Mhm.
And other branches people struggle to a little extent, but it's not impossible for them to study this
Mm.
subject. But mostly mechanical and CS grad people cope up more easily with these subjects. I have seen this.
Mm. Okay, and Parth, where typically people get jobs after doing masters from here? So you must have seen by now your seniors and all.
Uh,
So where do they get the typical jobs and what domains and profiles?
the major recruiters in our company are like IOCL, Tata Steel, or even currently Walmart, Google, and Microsoft have also come in the college.
Okay.
But roles are typically like in the operations, supply chain manager, or supply chain analyst, or
Mm.
data analyst, associate data analyst, associate software developer, or um, machine associate machine learning engineer. So these type of roles can be there. So it is upon you that if you want to go in operations technical, or you want to go to IT domain like data analytics and etc.
Mm. Okay, and as you said, IUCL, so public sectors also visit for the recruitment?
Yes, honestly, I don't have exact idea which PSUs come in our
Visit.
college, but yes, they do come to some extent.
Mm. Good. And any students are also interested for higher education. Do they go for PhDs in India or abroad after masters from your department?
Yes, I don't have exact idea about this, but yes, the college has some tie-ups in universities in Germany and US. So
Okay.
people, students must be aiming for that. But I have
Mm.
seen mostly people targeting for placements and PSU
Okay.
jobs. But
Mhm.
yes, the people who are interested in the some research role or maybe some topic or
Education.
areas,
Mm.
they go for
Aspire for
PSU.
them. Mm. Wonderful.
But the
So,
number is little less.
yeah. So, Parth, you never tried for CCMT, right? Or you were also exploring CCMT option also,
Yeah.
NITs and all.
Uh,
Mm.
Yeah, first I had enrolled in CCMT. So in the first round, I had got a seat at NIT Warangal for
Mm.
manufacturing.
Mm-hmm.
But I
Okay.
had not paid the fees for that because, like, I was hoping that I would get a seat in IIT. So I was not looking for CCMT. But it is important. Like, I was not looking for myself, but it is important CCMT for
Mm.
people who are looking for specific specializations.
Okay. Okay. So CCMT can also be one, plan B if you want to
Yeah.
experiment and go till the last rounds of COPs, and it can be plan B also, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So, so,
absolutely.
so, what is your idea about spot round, and what is the meaning of spot round in COP?
So spot rounds are conducted by IITs when to fill the vacant seats after the end of all the COP rounds. So
Hmm.
there are some seats which remain vacant. Maybe students have not applied or uh, those are not filled in the specific courses. So for that, they uh, release some spot rounds.
Mm,
So they mail the students who had applied for that course, who were interested for that course,
mm,
and based on the students' CGPA, GATE score, and maybe interviews to some extent for some IITs, they
mm,
even give admission for low GATE scorers in the spot rounds of
mm.
IITs. So that is
Okay.
also a bonus point for most of the
Mm.
students.
Wonderful. So with that, Parth, more or less, I've asked everything which I wanted to ask. Any advice, any guidance you want to give to prospective students of your department who may look forward to join you next year? Any input you want to give them, or any advice, piece of advice?
Yeah, I would like to give them an advice that try to be focused about what you want to work in the future. Like
Yeah.
you want to go for PhD or you want to go for placements. So try to be focused because
Mm,
most of the students are droppers, or
mm,
also some are like having some work
mm,
or some are like just completed their BTech and joining for the masters. So it
mm,
depends. Every student journey is different. So it depends on the students. But yeah, they
mm,
should be focused on what they want to actually, because MTech is not a course which you do because you are not getting a job. It's because you have the interest in that
mm,
course. I believe
mm,
personally in this.
mm,
So if you have interest, you should go for MTech and further studies. So this
mm.
is the advice which I want to give to
Wonderful,
students.
wonderful. So, Parth, with that, we bring this particular session to an end. And let me thank you for the time you spared, and also wish you all the very best for your career ahead, for your jobs, placements, and everything. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.